I'm someone that's not very structured, so to think about the art of wandering really works for me. The idea of mooching and meandering and not having a set plan and just taking in the landscape and hoping to bump into some friends and hoping that the weather changes because that adds excitement to the adventure, whether it means that there's going to be a thunderstorm or the sun will set and the sky will turn pink. That's enough to keep me entertained for hours. I'm obsessed with the sea and I jump in it even in the winter months. I do wear a wetsuit, but I do swim in it. So as long as I'm by the sea, I'm a happy person. I love the tidal pool so much here in Margate. It's so magic. There's like so many incredible stories and rumours. There's a lady that comes and swims every day in her swimsuit, doesn't matter how cold it is. And she's quite an old lady, that's so awesome. So we're always looking to catch her because it's inspiring. When it gets hot here in Margate, my goodness, does it change. It becomes a sweaty, buzzing hub of activity. Kids everywhere on their summer holidays, people with deck chairs, and it's awesome. It's equally as brilliant, but it's completely different, and you really see the strong, unique sense of brilliance and charm that there is when a British seaside town comes into its own. So I hope that you enjoyed our wander, and I hope that you found it as exciting as I did. And now you need to set off on your own walk. Where do you live where the sky turns pink at sunset? Or it makes you feel inspired to ring a friend and chat for an hour, or listen to an audiobook? Because wandering is pretty good, and it's just not as expensive as going to a spinning class.